Everyone, today I'm going to do a short review of the VELCRO brand one wrap thin ties. These are great ties for cables of all kinds, and it says light duty pre-cut bundling ties. So you get a whopping 100 ties. They come in 3 different rolls, and the sizing is 8" by 1/2 inch, or 20 centimeters by about 1 centimeters. And so I'll show you what the roll looks like. It rolls like that. It looks like that. Is that in focus? Yeah. And so come in these pre-cut formats. So that's what you get. And the way you hook this on, I already have one that's been used in my microphone cables. This is an XLR cable here, and so they have one fuzzy side and one more flat side. What? And so I just wrap this around. Make sure the fuzzy side is inside, and there you got your cables all nice and neat. And so let me show you a bit more of how they're pre-cut in a row. And that was one of them. Let's see, get this one undone. The 2 other ones I had them undone. And so this is what I want to show you. They're all pre-cut, and then you just have to separate this. You can just separate them by hand. I'm not going to do this for this one, but that's how they stay all in the row. Just take out this little piece here, and you can tie that around your cable. So the way to tie this around the cable is that you have the opening here. Tie this, get the one end into that, and this will Velcro onto the cable, and so that will stay on your cable, so that when you put it away, you'll just already have the tie in place, and just wrap that the amount of times necessary to keep that all in place, and then it's super secure. So there you go. That's the VELCRO brand one wrap thin ties, 100 ties. So I've had this package for a couple of years. I've had many cables to tie with this, and it's good to have on hand for when I need a Velcro tie. So thanks for watching this video, and I highly recommend this product. We'll see you on the next one.